Look at the mango here, guys. Look at my hand. What kind of mango is this? It's a Res 2 and 2 mangoes. $4.99 per kilo, guys. Product of Australia. And the dragon fruit, guys, oh. $6.99 a kilo. Ang lalaki nila, guys, oh. Ayan, oh. They're really big. Goodness. Lots of fruit. Tomato. Ito, guys, pamlagay sa mga breakfast nyo. Berries. Blueberries. Meron din silang papaya, guys. Ayan, oh.